Every minute counts in the waste management industry. A single inefficient route can mean wasted fuel, overtime hours, and frustrated customers. But what if you could transform the chaos into an easily digestible route sheet? That's exactly what our route optimization tool helps you do. In this video, I'll pull back the curtain on TrashFlow's route optimization feature, showing you how to turn a complex routing challenge into a streamlined, cost-effective solution. Get ready to revolutionize how you think about route planning. What is route optimization? Route optimization is a game-changing feature that helps you reorganize your trash hauling routes to minimize travel time, reduce fuel costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. With TrashFlow, you can optimize routes with just a few simple clicks. Preparing for route optimization. Before you start optimizing, you'll need to set a few key elements. Navigate to System, Setup, List, and Site locations. Define your starting and ending points. This will typically be your office or yard. You can set multiple site locations to suit your specific needs. The optimization process. 1. Accessing route optimization. Go to the routing tile and search the route you'd like to optimize. Right-click within the route area. Select Route, then Optimize Route. The Route Opt Batch Select window will open. Choose the route you are optimizing and press the arrow, then select OK to continue. 2. Optimization settings. Select your start and end locations. Set the estimated stop time. This is typically around 60 seconds per stop. Add a route name prefix and choose the routing side. Here's what happens during the optimization process. 1. Optimization execution. You'll receive a confirmation that the route is in the queue. 2. Route review. Routes move from pending to awaiting review on the routing tile. Click on the routing tile. Double-click to review and approve your new optimized routes. 3. Reporting. Use the Route Opt report to see exactly what changes were made to your original route. When you click Optimize Route, an address exception report may pop up if some addresses aren't geocoded properly. If you see the exception report, don't worry, re-geocode your addresses, or contact technical support if you need assistance. Tips. Optimization time varies depending on route complexity. Always review your optimized routes before final approval, and use the Route Opt report to understand route modifications. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support at 800-708-8642. We appreciate you for being a member of the TrashFlow family.